Hi, to hide photos and videos on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, as a first step, let's find and open this default gallery app. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to select items you want to hide. So just press and hold them like that. You can choose more than one, like this. You can swipe. And now I just selected 6 items, so let's try to hide them. For that, I would need to simply tap this option Add to Album, and after that on top you should see this Suggestion Private Album. So choose it, and now you need to tap OK, and you'll see this pop-up window that to view the items you made private, swipe down in Albums. So just tap OK, and now you need to set privacy protection password. So draw an unlock pattern. Let me just do it and then draw it again. After that, just tap next. And if you want to, you can sign in your Xiaomi account in case you forgot your password. Then you'd be able to reset it. But you can choose not now, and they would be added to private album. So let's check this. I'm gonna tap albums, and now we need to swipe down to open our hidden folder. So here tap OK, cancel, and now simply draw your pattern. And now you'll see the content of your private album. So you can open your photos, you can edit them, and so on. And if you wanna unhide those photos, you can press and hold them, then choose photos you wanna unhide, and after that select this option Remove from Private Album. And now you will need to choose where you wanna transfer them. So I'm gonna select camera, and now they removed from Private Album and added to this camera album. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.